Are you wondering what to eat throughout the day to boost your energy while following the Mediterranean diet approach? Well, you've come to the right place because I will be breaking down for you my top 3 snack ideas while following the Med diet. By the end of this video, you will be ready to make yourself any healthy snack while following this dietary approach. Hey there, I'm Dr. Anna. I'm a medical doctor trained in Italy, and here on this channel, you will learn how to master the Mediterranean diet. So snacks are all about curbing our hunger and boosting our energy throughout the day. But not all snacks are created equally. When thinking about eating a healthy snack that helps to make you feel good and sustain your energy for longer, we want to incorporate 3 main nutritional components into the snack and any meal so that you are going to feel great and have lots of energy. And these 3 things are fiber, fat, and protein. Now, why these 3 things? Well, it just so happens that they help ease our digestion so that we can better absorb the nutrition in food. Think of vitamins and minerals. As well, when we're thinking about making a healthy snack for ourselves, we don't want our energy to increase and then tank after 30 or 60 minutes, leaving us feeling sluggish. In fact, the goal with a snack is usually the opposite. You're trying to sustain your energy until you can get to your next meal, be that lunch or dinner. So by eating foods that help slow down the digestion, you're actually going to have more energy and feel better longer. By the way, if you're finding this video useful so far, I want you to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications with the bell because I don't want you to miss any important information about how to make the Mediterranean diet part of your lifestyle so you can be as healthy as possible. All right, so we've covered a little bit of the nutrition 101 when it comes to building a healthy snack. What are the actual foods you want to be targeting? I'm going to give you these 3 foods that I think are the best way to sustain your energy with a snack. Now, the first food that I have for you of things you want to incorporate in a snack is to have fruits or vegetables. Nature really did us a solid on this one. A lot of fruits are kind of ready to go because they have a peel outside of them where they're protected, so you can throw that into your lunchbox or into your purse or backpack. But choosing the right fruit or vegetable to have in your snack is really up to you. It basically comes down to what you like. I also suggest to think about eating seasonally when it comes to choosing the fruit or the vegetable to incorporate. So if we're talking about summertime, berries or stone fruits like peaches or plums are the perfect thing to have as a snack. Even making an easy tomato cucumber salad is a great way to snack with summer vegetables. If we're in the fall season, then of course apples or pears make a lot of sense, but even things like figs or grapes are delicious snacks. Now in the winter, it makes a lot of sense to have citrus fruits like orange or a grapefruit, or snacking on some vegetable sticks like carrots, maybe they're baby carrots, or even celery stalk. Thinking about the springtime, I suggest having like a light salad, some greens, or maybe blending them into a green smoothie. Of course, thinking about snacks, and if we're talking about fruit, dried fruit comes to mind because lots of trail mixes incorporate it. Dried fruit can be healthy, but just pay attention that you're trying to get a variety that's not loaded with added sugar. A lot of the times, manufacturers are going to add sugar to that dried fruit. So just pay attention to how much added sugar you're eating in your diet overall. All right, the next food that is really important in building a healthy snack are to have things like nuts or nut butters. Of course, these are going to be things like peanuts, almonds, cashews, pecans, or walnuts in whole form, but nut butters can be really nice and easy to eat with things like sliced apple or celery. What's amazing about nuts is that they're so nutrient dense, and actually they hit on all 3 of our nutritional components that we talked about in the beginning. They have healthy fat, they have fiber, and they have some protein. Additionally, they have a pretty long shelf life. So if you're keeping these things in a pantry or in the fridge, make sure they're out of the sunlight so that the healthy oils in them are not starting to get broken down and become rancid. You'll know if your nuts are still healthy if you smell them and they don't really have a smell. That's a good thing. If they start to have sort of this odor, you might want to think about tossing those and getting a new bag. And now the third food that I want you to add into your healthy snack is anything that boosts up the protein level in your day. So think of things like yogurt or a protein-rich dip like hummus, tzatziki, tahini dressing. And don't be afraid to enjoy some other varieties of snacks that are really easy and are grab and go, but in general are eaten at a lower amount in the Mediterranean diet. So these are sweets like chocolate, so you can incorporate something like a dark chocolate that has a little less sugar, or some soft cheeses like mozzarella or even ricotta or cottage cheese, and something like a hard cheese or a Parmesan. These are all going to give you a little boost of protein and some of that fat that is going to sustain your energy for longer. My pro tip for you is to make sure you have some kind of a snack with you whenever you are on the go. So whether that is traveling to work or to school, maybe you want to put it in your purse or your backpack, or keeping something in the car that doesn't need to be refrigerated, like some healthy nuts in a Ziploc bag, is going to help you when you have a situation where you haven't eaten in a while and you're not in a position to get to your next meal that soon and you need to stave off the hunger. If you have something that is healthy within reach, you're going to make a healthier choice by eating that snack instead of reaching for what's often around us in grocery stores and gas stations, which are very processed foods with lots of chemicals and unhealthy fats and sugars like chips, cookies, ice cream, donuts, etc. Sweets can be included in your life, but in general, these are not our go-to snack ideas because those things, beyond having low amounts of healthy nutrition, are not going to make us feel good for long because they'll often spike our blood sugar, then it'll drop. You will feel the crash and sometimes you feel the burn. My question for you now, what are your typical go-to snacks? I want you to comment below and share with us so we can bounce off healthy snack ideas with others in our healthy community. Now, if this video has been valuable for you so far, please hit the like button and share this with at least 3 people that you know can benefit from learning a little bit more about healthy snack ideas and nutrition. However, if you are craving to learn more about healthy eating on the Mediterranean diet, but you're not really sure where to start, you need to check out this video right here where I talk about the Mediterranean diet for absolute beginners and how to get started in thinking about this eating plan. This eating plan is so healthy for you. I know you're gonna love that video. I will see you over there.